Hello friends, welcome back. This is TCS NQT preparation video, and this video will be dedicated to verbal ability section. And in this video we will discuss advanced synonyms that may be asked in TCS NQT. So this is going to be part first for verbal ability section. So let us start this video with our first synonym. In the following question, out of the four alternative, select the one word similar in the meaning to the word given. So similar means simply synonyms. So we will don't read out this line again and again. So in this whole video, we will just discuss synonyms. So incomprehensible. So what does it means? So there are four options: 1, 2, 3, 4. So which is correct? So let us look at the meaning of the given word and marked option. Incomprehensible means impossible to understood. And unfathomable means incapable of being fully explored or understood. So it is the synonyms of this word. So option B is correct. But we should look on the meaning of other word also. So penetrable means possible to understand or understandable. And now caliber means the quality of someone's character or the level of ability. And this is very basic word and commonly used that this person has more caliber or something like that. So hopefully you must have heard this word. Now placid, serenely free of interruption or disturbance. So only this word has the same meaning like this, incomprehensible. So this is your correct answer. Now question second, petulant. What does petulant mean? Petulant means childishly sulky or bad tempered. Peevish means having or showing an irritable disposition. So this is your correct answer for this. And the meaning of other words are affable, friendly, good natured or easy to talk, and gregarious, fond of company or sociable. And caliber, as we have discussed in just last example, caliber is the level of anyone's ability. So petulant is the synonym of peevish or vice versa, as they both means the same. So this is your correct answer. Now forswear. Now forswear means to formally reject or go back on, and renounce means to give up. So this is your correct answer for this. And embrace means to take for one's own use. Palpable means able to be perceived by a sense or by the mind. Devoid means utterly lacking in something needed, wanted or expected. So forswear simply means renounce. Now fourth question, apparition. So apparition means a ghost or ghost-like image of a person. Now phantom means a ghost or illusory. So this is the synonym of this. So phantom is your correct answer. And now prominent is likely to attract attention. Palpable means able to be perceived by a sense or by the mind. And blatant means engaging in or marked by loud and insistent cries, especially by the protest. So these are your synonyms. And your correct answer is phantom. Now corset. Corset means care for and protect in an overindulged way. Now indulge means allow oneself to enjoy the pleasure of. So this is your correct answer. This is the synonym of corset. And now the meaning of other words given in option is forswear, to renounce and under oath. Splendor means impressive of beauty on a large scale. Inhibit, block an opening path, road, etc. Inhibit simply means to block anything or be or get in the way of. So corset and indulge are the synonyms. Now sixth one, bawl. Now bawl means shout or call out noisily. And scream means the same, give a long, loud, piercing cry or cries expressing extreme emotion or pain. And bevy means a large group of people or things of a particular kind. Splendor means impressiveness of a beauty on a large scale. And impede means block an opening path or road. It may be anything. So bawl and scream are the synonyms. And scream is your correct answer. Now seventh one, jejune. So jejune, it means dry and uninteresting. So monotonous also means dull, tedious, repetitious, lacking in variety and interest. So this is your correct answer, monotonous. And fascinating means extremely interesting. Riveting means completely engrossing or compelling. And obstruct means block. So jejune and monotonous are synonyms, as both means the same. Now slapdash. So slapdash means done too hurriedly and carelessly. And hasty means the same, done with excessive speed or urgency. So hastily is the synonym of slapdash. Now meticulous. We are looking at the meaning of other words, as they may also be asked in your NQT, and it will help a lot to increase your accuracy in NQT exam. Meticulous, showing great attention to detail, very careful and precise. Eloquent means fluent or persuasive in speaking or writing. Loquacious means one who speaks a lot. Now mirth, and the meaning of mirth is amusement, especially as expressed in laughter. Now exhilaration means a feeling of excitement, happiness or elation. So these both are synonyms and exhilaration is your correct answer. Now dejection means a sad and depressed state or low spirit. Despondency means low spirit from loss of hope or courage. Now parochial means having a limited or narrow outlook or scope. So these both are synonyms as they have same meaning. Now question number 10. Comeliness. Meaning of comeliness is the qualities in a person or the thing that as a whole give pleasure to the senses. Now resplendence means impressiveness of beauty on a large scale. So these both are synonyms and it is your correct answer of this word. Now obscene means offending against moral principles. Rampant means getting worse quickly and in an uncontrolled way. Dystopia means an imaginary place of total misery. So these both are synonyms. Now question number 11. Allusion. Allusion means an expression designed to call something to mind without mentioning it explicitly. Now implication means same, conclusion drawn from something that is not explicitly stated. Now let us look at the meaning of other words. Clique, a small close-knit group who do not readily allow others to get in. Now temptation, the desire to do something that is especially something wrong or unwise. Convolution, a thing that is complex and difficult to know. So implication is your correct answer. Now question number 12. Antics. What is the meaning of antics? Antics means foolish or outrageous behavior, and foolery also means the same, silly or foolish behavior. So foolery is your correct answer. This is the synonym of this word. And let us look the meaning of other words. Prowess, skill or expertise in a particular field. So this is obviously very different. And quirk, a peculiar aspect of a person's character or behavior. Clam, a marine mollusk with cells of equal size. So this is your only correct option, foolery. Now opposite. Opposite means apt in the circumstances or in relation to something. Now befitting means the same, apt or appropriate to the occasion. So this is the synonym of this word and this is your correct answer. Now meaning of other words. Ominous means giving the worrying impression that something bad is going to happen. Now vicissitude, a change of circumstances or fortune. Deface means spoil the surface or appearance of something. Now 14. Allude, it means suggest or call attention indirectly, mention without discussing at length, that is hint. Innuendo means the same, an allusive or oblique remark or hint. Simply both these words, allude and innuendo, means hint. Both means hint. So this is your correct answer. Now meaning of other words. Shun means persistently avoid or ignore someone or something. Astute means having or showing the ability to accurately assess situation or people. Concur means to be of the same opinion or agree. So agree or hint, they are obviously different. So this is your correct answer. Now ordinance. Ordinance means an authoritative order. Now fiat means an formal authorization or preposition, a decree. So this is your correct answer. And meaning of other word. Inept means having or showing no skill. Clumsy. Acute means present or experienced to a severe and intense degree. Poignant means evoking a keen sense of sadness or sorrow. So this was our last question, and if you think that this type of video can help you, then please comment and like this video so that I can continue this series. So guys, thanks for watching this video and subscribe this channel IT India.